if you're a Honda fan, this crate right here could be the Indiana Jones of crates, right, Avi?
Let's find out. Wow.
Yeah, wow is right. All right, so we have a cover.
Titanium stands.
Are they light?
They are very, very light.
How light are they?
They are, even a front wheel stand is 1 finger light.
Yeah.
Right.
Is how light that is.
Either one.
Yeah.
Babies.
Got a cover. Can man. Let's see what you got here. That's cool. All right, layer number 1.
Ooh.
We have an exhaust system, and this is a beautiful system, but indeed, you know what, just because I'm curious.
He just laughed.
It's just, I mean, seriously. Right, seriously.
Whoa,
Careful.
whoa,
Isn't that incredible, right? All right, so careful indeed. All right, let's put that back in there.
All right.
Tier number 1 coming out of the crate.
Bye-bye. Nice knowing
What's
you.
next?
Some
All
carbon
right.
fiber and some...
What do we have here? Carbon fiber kit. This kit,
Race ECU.
rumor has it, adds about 40 horsepower to a RC213V. And how much were they, Abby? Thereabouts?
The kits themselves were about 12,000 euros back in the day.
If you could get them.
If you could get them, yeah.
Oh, God, I gotta tell you guys, if you're ever wondering what to get me for a present,
Yeah.
this would be cool. I'm granted, I need the bike to go with it, just for the record. All right, sprockets. Oh, here, what do we have?
Shift linkage, suspension linkage, ride height adjusters.
And this beautiful crate.
Yeah.
That's it, right? That's all of it,
I
isn't
think
it?
so, but you know what?
Doesn't hurt to look.
Doesn't. I want to make sure, huh?
Well, that's it.
No,
There you go.
and
No secrets.
no hidden
Trapdoors.
cocaine or anything else in the bottom. Perfect.
Well, I already got that out.
Okay, noted.
Yeah.
Wow, that was pretty cool. All right, boys, let's put it back together. That was fun. Right, Steve?
I like it.
I like it also. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
You just put this right out in my truck, thanks.
I want you to know. What did you say?
Just put it right out in my truck.
I can't get over
What
this
are
stuff.
these little things?
Probably block-off plates for mirrors or something. If I had to
think?
guess.
Yeah, probably.
Hmm.
Jeez.
All right, incoming next layer. Steve, watch your head.
All right, gentlemen. Thank you very much. That was awesome. That was fun.
Here.